Adding Elementor to your WordPress site allows you to design pages visually with ease. Here's how to install and start using it. Install Elementor plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Elementor Website Builder. Click Install Now next to the Elementor plugin. After installation, click Activate. Configure Elementor settings. After activation, you'll be redirected to the Elementor setup page. Follow the prompts to configure basic settings like the default fonts and colors. Create a page with Elementor. Go to Pages, Add New, or choose an existing page. Click the Edit with Elementor button. You will enter the Elementor editor, where you can design your page by dragging and dropping widgets like headings, images, or buttons. Upgrade to Elementor Pro. If you need advanced features like templates, forms, or custom CSS, purchase and install Elementor Pro. Activate your license and access premium features directly in the editor.